Okay, we're in week 3. We're going to practice some of the things that we've learned so far. So we are going to start by drawing the plan view only of this chest of drawers that we're going to be using in a upcoming project of a hotel room for this class. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a new drawing. So we're going to go up to File, New. Make sure it says Autocad, Open. We're going to turn off this horrible grid. So that's F7 or this first command line here. Okay, we're going to go up to Format, Units. Make sure it says Architectural in Inches. Click OK. We're going to go up to Format, Drawing Limits. The first set of numbers are always 0, so hit Enter. Let's do 10 feet, comma, 10 feet. Enter. Z, enter. A, enter. We're going to load our layers, so script. Find the script file on your desktop. Click Open. Hit Escape. Change your current layer to be A, Furniture. Now, if you'll notice that in this set of layers, we have A dash a set of layers, E dash a set of layers, M dash a set of layers, and P dash a set of layers. Each trade has a set of construction documents. Architectural is the A, E for electrical, the electrical contractor, M for the HVAC guys, P for plumbers, and they'll each have a set of construction documents. So that's why it says A or E or M. We're going to go for the A, Furniture. This is where all furniture should live on the A, Furniture or A, Fern layer, which is yellow in this case. It depends on the architectural firm or the contractor you work for, what color they set their standards to be. But for WKU, we decided to make the A, Fern yellow. All right, so we have our limits, our unit set, our layers put in, and the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our ortho is on, the F8, or click the little blue, or click the icon down here, make sure it's blue. We're going to go to line, and I'm going to start with the depth of the chest of drawers, so I'm going to click on the screen. And the depth is 1'6", so I'm going to put in 1 and the foot mark, and then 6. I do not have to put the inch mark in because it automatically draws in inches. So I'm going to 1'6" and hit Enter. I'm going to take my cursor to the right, and then you'll notice that I have a fraction here. So this is how we put in input fractions into Autocad. So I'm going to put in 3 feet 10 dash 1/2 and then hit Enter. Okay, the depth is 1'6", Enter, and I'm going to do C, Enter to close it. And now I have the plan view for my chest of drawers. Plan view denotes that you're looking down. If you cut the ceiling off of a building and look down, or bird's eye view, that is the plan view. So that would be the top of the chest of drawers. That if we place that in a floor plan, that would indicate the size that I need to the contractor for that piece of furniture to sit in that hotel room. Alright, so now that you've drawn this, we're going to hit File, Save As. It's under week 3 here, so I'm going to call this Cleaner, my last name, dash, chest, or maybe drawers. Okay, hit save, and then you will submit that to Blackboard under week 3, and that concludes today's assignment. Thank you.